Hello there, and welcome to what's going to be my final 1-minute English video of 2023. I've just finished my last class and I'm starting to feel a little bit Christmassy, I must admit. I might allow myself a glass of mulled wine later on this evening. I might even have a mince pie or two. It's a strange time of year to be teaching, to be honest, because the nearer you get to Christmas, the fewer students you have turning up in your classes. And those that do turn up often turn up late, sometimes bringing with them that strange mixture of exhaustion and relief that they're near the holidays. So I'm going to be knocking off. I'm going to be taking 10, 12 days off and just trying to get a little bit of R&R before the new year. Basically, I'm going to be doing what most of my students have been doing for the last couple of weeks, which is winding down. If people wind down, they gradually start to relax. Usually after doing something that's been tiring and stressful. So maybe you're the kind of person who, when you go on holiday, always needs a few days before you start to wind down. Maybe you've got one of those jobs that's so stressful that you find it really hard to wind down at the weekend. Maybe you even find it hard to wind down after a long day at work and you need to go to the gym or you need to have a large glass of wine before you allow yourself to start to wind down. If you're living in a place like I live, you might have noticed also that the city slowly starts to wind down as the Christmas break gets ever nearer. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues on social media. In the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use wind down. And if you've managed to make it this far through the video, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your support in 2023. Thanks for following what we're doing with Lexical Lab, and hope to see you on the other side. For those of you that celebrate, have a very Merry Christmas and all the best for the new year.